welcome back to another vlog.
Hello.
Okay. I didn't even know.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, so Austin just got an email about probably 20 minutes ago of some pretty exciting news.
Got booked in Tulsa, King.
But the kicker is...
It's tomorrow morning.
we have to leave Kentucky, like now, actually. But we actually came to town to do some grocery shopping and got the email. So now we're turning around to go home to pack our stuff to head
Just a night.
almost 5 hours.
4.5, yeah.
5 hours for him to be on tomorrow. And then we come home for a few days and then leave Monday and Tuesday again to go on.
Oh.
So yeah, that's how we do things. Yeah. Yeah. So pretty irresponsible, I guess. But yeah, he's gonna go in and get us some snack options for tomorrow, and then guess we gotta go home and figure some things out.
Then turn right into the parking lot.
This gender is fun.
Yeah.
Mom, there's a pool.
Yeah.
I told that there might be a pool in there. What? That's pretty.
Say 5 hours later, we made it. Oh. So we just got our first ever noise complaint at a hotel because of our baby, because he has been a lot today and has been very, very fussy because I don't let him down in the hotel room and try to keep him on our bed with our bed sheets. I know, I'm a freak. But so he's been super fussy, and we finally got a noise complaint, which I hate because it's embarrassing. We do try hard to keep him from being like too much, but anyways, I guess it just didn't matter. But anyways, so I guess we're gonna go out for a few hours, and I don't know, maybe when we get back he'll be exhausted. So yeah, there's a first for everything. So we've stepped out just a little bit to just get some fresh air, I guess, and walk around, maybe find something to do, even though we're exhausted and don't feel the best. But yeah, I guess we'll try to get Oakley's frustrations out, and I guess go back and see if we can get him to sleep so we don't wake everybody up. We came to our hotel and saw this bad boy. Say, we've never seen one of those. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hey, it's not one of those.
Huh?
No, it's just cosplay.
Well,
Or
no, it's license plate.
no,
What do you think of that?
it's pretty.
It is pretty. Yeah.
What does the license plate say?
It says, hi, Barbie.
Hey, Bobby.
Yeah. We're headed back to Kentucky, and what, for 3 days? And then we're heading back Sunday night. Back here.
So maybe it's birthday tomorrow.
So yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Mama. Mama, is Lincoln's birthday tomorrow? Yeah, is Lincoln's birthday tomorrow?
Wave. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
We're back on the road again. And this fog is absolutely crazy. You can barely see anything. It's so bad. Hopefully we make it. Say hi. Say we're about to go out and see Atlanta. You gonna say hi? Say hi. Oh. Well, geez. Okay, well, how's that for hi? Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, come explore Atlanta with us.
Wait, do this move.
Yeah, do that move.
You.
Oh, me?
I know what I'm doing.
No.
I put my weight.
Okay.
I think you put your hand down.
Well, I can't because I got the phone.
Oh.
Yeah.
You can try to do this move. Try to do this move. Did you stick your tongue out?
Is it funny? Is that funny? I just saw my first ever Waymo self-driving car, and oh my goodness, I got the creepiest feeling just washed over my body. Just seeing that, it just felt so bizarre. I don't think I'm meant for like futuristic stuff. That was crazy. What do you think of Atlanta, Amberlyn?
It's ready.
It is pretty.
Look at that Christmas tree.
Just stopping at Spritz to get some snacks.
So we just got back to our hotel room and oh gosh. Anyways, we went to downtown Atlanta and Austin just wanted to show me because I'd never been before. And anyways, we were gonna park somewhere and get out and walk around the little what was it like? What's it called? Like a little park area? Centennial Park. And anyways, Austin went to pay for parking and a really sketchy guy came up to him and was, bothering him. Austin just got a gut feeling that something was gonna happen. And so I could see him walking back to the car, and anyways, we don't go anywhere without our piece, if you know what I mean. And anyway, so I was watching to make sure nothing was gonna happen. And so I see Austin walking back to the car. And so he gets in the car and the guy's like walking towards the car. And Austin just takes off and drives over the little curb. So the guy changes direction to follow our car as we turned kind of. And the guy turned around and started following the car. Still, just a different direction. So we could obviously tell that he was following us. So anyways, we didn't get to enjoy downtown Atlanta, but maybe not at night. Probably gonna try Atlanta during the day, and maybe we'll have better luck. But anyways, Austin stopped and got some groceries at Sprouts and Kroger's. And so yeah, I think we're gonna eat supper and maybe chill out the rest of the night.
Hey guys, it's day 3 of Tulsa King. Don't know, I know it's a big today, a lot of people, but I'm excited. I'm kind of sad it's the last day because this has been a really cool experience, and just seeing how TV's done on this scale of things, because I was in a little movie and it was small. I got to see that side of it, but this is just I mean, insane what goes into it. But really cool to meet some of the people on the show. Just a cool experience overall. But let's see what's in store. Just finished wrapping Tulsa King on my 3 days here. It's been something. It's been cool. It's been really cool. But maybe I'll do this again sometime. I don't know. But not the best video of me, but whatever. It's been a cool time. But now back to Kentucky.
Hopefully we can get everything all packed up and get out of here soon and maybe walk around a little bit outside and blow off a little steam because we've been in bed all day long here. And I am not one that can do that without getting a little stir crazy. So maybe we can walk around a little bit and then get in the car for the long drive. Say cheese! Cheese! Oh, okay. Let's... So Austin's finally done with his
My
movie
film
set.
career.
Yeah.
I retired.
Yeah.
I'm retired. I might
and-
come out one day. Who knows?
Oh, out of retirement. I was confused what you meant. What?
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 I don't know. Keep talking.
Oh. Anyways, so we took a few family pictures outside the fall-looking trees at the hotel, and now we are at Sprouts about to get our snacks for the road and then head back to Kentucky. Alright, we are headed towards Kentucky now. We stopped at Sprouts, got some road trip snacks, we stopped for fuel, changed into some cozy clothes, got my blue light blockers on, and we are ready for our road trip home.
See you at home.